Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, December 9th, about 8:07 in the morning here, and we are going to get started with our prep for today on the ES. Are you ready for the week ahead and the games that are going to be played? Do you know what day this week we already have a $3 billion bid ready to come in the market? Did you see Friday how we stayed fully inside our $15 billion bid that we mentioned last Monday would return? If not, let's get you prepared for today to level up your game. First, a quick reminder that derivatives trading is inherently risky and past performance is not indicative of future returns. If we look at what happened on Friday, we stayed all inside of Thursday's range in value and fully inside of our $15 billion bid. And if you want to review the whole week, check out our COT video that we did over the weekend. When you know where and when a $15 billion bid is going to show up, so does the sell side of the market. And we can expect them to exploit that and know the games that they play to take your money. And we want to get you prepared to not lose that hard-earned capital. In our overnight, we stayed fully inside of Friday's range in value with just a small repair of this poor low that we had on Friday. Uh, That's all that we had in our overnight, just staying fully inside of Friday's range and value with choppier price action, nothing else really expected. From a positioning standpoint, and we reviewed this on our COT video this weekend, but long-term commercials are short still, although not near any triggering levels, and non-commercials are still net short, leaving small non-commercials as the only long participant on our COT report. Market makers on all durations are in risk compressing mode as long as we hold 60.72 today. Fund managers have about 15% of their cash on the sidelines to work with, so we've got a little bit of room. We can see some flows coming in there as well, and we'll monitor that. On our flow side, we don't have any catalyst today, so there's no real fear in the market, but we do want to be aware of the catalyst this week. So we have CPI on Wednesday, PPI on Thursday, and those are the two major catalysts ahead of next week's FOMC. We have about a $900 million bid in between 60.83 and 61.14 today, right in here. And that's not really that much when you think of last week, we had a $15 billion bid. So really where things will get interesting is under 60.53, where we bring in a $3 billion offer, or at 61.44, where our participant here brings in a $3 billion offer. And at the same time, our market makers will be selling about $1 billion as well. So we have a large $4 billion offer sitting at 61.44 for today. And for the week, our largest participant last week is now mostly on the sidelines. With only one day, they will be largely involved, and we will share that with our subscribers, and we will give that to you on our videos in the morning when that is appropriate. As far as breadcrumbs, there's not much containing the market today, so we can watch for a potential move outside of our recent range. The only thing sitting on the calendar is CPI, so we're going to watch for that insurance buying to come in, and we'll use our proprietary indicators to monitor that throughout the day. Don't forget that CPI super users get the data ahead of time. So if you know what they're doing and you know how to watch for their involvement in the market, then you can get a jump on the week as they usually front run the moves. As far as our daily plan today, we are looking for rotational price action between 61.06 and 60.82, with our pivot at 60.90. And under 60.82, our pivot is 60.73, which is our small line in the sand where things will start to change. They really change if we get below our lower level at 60.64. And then if we get over 61.09, 61.22 is our pivot, and 61.44 is where we expect a large offer to come in. 61.30 would be the area to watch ahead of that. And that's it for today. If these are helping you, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please follow us on X and comment there. Have a great day, everybody.